Hi, I'm Marna and I have an addiction. Okay, I have several. My, my latest, I always say we don't have hobbies, we have obsessions. And lately, mine has been the American Girl dolls. And I got there a couple ways, thanks to Tina at Tina's Reborns and More, and Karen at Starts and Stitches, and one thing led to another, and pretty soon I'm collecting on eBay left and right, and I'm only going to open a couple of these boxes for this video, and then, okay, I wasn't going to tear this up because I'm sending these to someone. Oh well. A lot of these are for a collab coming up, or a few collabs actually coming up. Oh my God, she's adorable. I pay right around $10 for these dolls pre-loved. Boy, she's in excellent shape.
Shoes and everything.
Yeah, yeah. When I find a really good deal on, I don't care who it is, I buy it. Because you never know if you're going to want to do something like these. I'm going to need at least 3. Because I want one for my new stand that I bought. And then I want one, I have a kit coming in full size. And I want to make her an historical outfit and then match that and have a small one next to it. And I've got a collab coming up where I'm going to need a kit. And I'm kind of thinking one wouldn't be a bad idea for, I like to have a model when I'm sewing with short hair so that I can just try the clothes on real quick. I know I could just have a body. I like a head. I want to see what it looks like with the head. So I have that. So I've been buying kits like crazy. All right, let's see who else is in here. Yeah, we have some collabs coming up. Oh, these were supposed to be nice. Look at this tissue paper. It says thank you. That's pretty cool. Collabs coming up you'll want to see. Oh, the ladies I work with so well. I'm amazed they let me in their group, let me tell you. Okay, save that box. This is, God, I can't think of it, Julie. This is Julie, and this is Josephina. Obviously, these are not their clothes. These look like Barbie outfits, so I got those to boot. Look at this. Her original flowers, everything about this doll except the outfit is just incredible. Darren makes shoes and stands and actually a shelf. And I really like that. How cute is she? Wow. And then Julie's hair, well, let's just do this. Julie's hair is out of the little braid, but you know what? I know how to braid if I decide to put it back in. Oh, how cute is she? But look at their hair. I mean, these little dolls, you can find them on eBay. Like I said, I pay about $10 each. Sometimes 12, sometimes 8. You know how that is. I average about $10 each. Oh, look at that. Her original underwear. How cute. Well, I'm going to open these up in a separate video, so thank you for watching. Let me know, do you have any of these darling little miniature American Girl dolls? Look at that. Her original bow and flowers. Oh, my. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.